Hi and welcome to I Hit Drums. Today I'm going to show you how to get started adding hi-hat foot to some of your ride cymbal grooves. Okay, so for the purpose of this lesson, we're going to start with one groove, and that's going to be bass, snare, bass, bass, snare. Now, because we're developing the hi-hat foot, we're not going to be playing the hi-hat, we're going to be playing the ride cymbal. So that first groove is going to sound like this. So to that, we've got three options with the hi-hat foot. The easiest one to start with is the hi-hat foot on beats 2 and 4. So basically the left foot is going to fall with the snare drum hit. And that sounds like this. So let's give that a try, 4 times around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second hi-hat foot pattern is similar to the first one, but instead of just on 2 and 4, we're going to add the hi-hat foot to 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to have a quarter note pulse on the left foot, whilst the right hand is doing eighth notes. Now this is a little bit trickier because sometimes you're going to have a bass drum falling at the same time, and sometimes you're going to have a snare drum falling at the same time. But altogether, it's going to sound like this. So let's give that a try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, last hi-hat foot option is adding the hi-hat foot on the offbeat. So every and. Now this is a lot trickier because it's not just falling with a left hand or with a bass drum, it's often in between. So you're going to get that every and count on the hi-hat foot. So the ride cymbal and the hi-hat together will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with the kick and snare beat that we're using, it's going to sound like this. So let's give it a try 4 times around. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, the next step is to just try and move between those different options. And remember, you can stop the hi-hat foot altogether. You don't always have to have one of those 3 variations happening. But see if you can move between the different options. So I'll just give that a try. I'll do a few bars of that groove, moving between the hi-hat foot on 2 and 4, on 1, 2, 3, 4, on all the and positions, and just not at all. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. That's just 3 simple patterns to add on the hi-hat foot to any groove, and that's going to give you 4 grooves out of 1 now. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, and keep an eye out for more like this. I'm also going to be adding some more in-depth lessons to my website, ihitdrums.co.uk, and these are going to include some songs for beginners and intermediate players. So again, that's ihatedrums.co.uk. But until next time, enjoy.